Mistplay does pay users in real gift cards, but the payout only happens after you accumulate units through tracked gameplay and successfully redeem them inside the app. By the end, you'll know whether Mistplay payment proof is real, how payouts actually work, and what real users experience when they cash out. Start with the core fact. Mistplay is a rewards app that converts gameplay time into units, which can be redeemed for gift cards. Now explain what payment proof really means. When people talk about Mistplay payment proof, they're usually referring to screenshots of redeemed gift cards or confirmation emails. Now explain legitimacy. Those redemptions are real, because Mistplay uses established gift card partners to deliver rewards. Now explain how payment actually happens. You don't get cash sent to your bank. You earn units by playing games, then exchange those units for digital gift cards like Amazon or other store rewards. Now explain timing. Payouts are not instant in every case, because each redemption goes through a processing step before delivery. Now explain what users see. After redeeming, you typically see a pending status inside the rewards section until the gift card is approved and sent. Now explain why people doubt it. Some users expect instant money transfers, so they think Mistplay is fake when they don't see immediate cash. Now explain the key distinction. Mistplay is not a cash app. It is a points-based reward system that pays in gift cards, not direct bank deposits. Now explain real-world behavior. Most issues people call fake are actually delays in unit tracking, account verification, or reward processing. Now explain what real proof usually shows. Real payment proof usually includes redeemed gift card codes, email confirmations, or screenshots from the rewards history screen. Now explain what to check. If you want to verify your own payout, open the Mistplay Rewards tab and check your redemption history and status updates. Now summarize the core idea. Mistplay payment proof is real because users do receive gift cards after redeeming units. It is not instant cash, and that mismatch creates confusion. And most fake claims come from misunderstanding how reward systems work. One practical next step. Check the Rewards tab inside your Mistplay account and review your redemption history instead of relying on screenshots online. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay breakdowns that explain what's real, what's delayed, and what actually pays.